Why you should hire the best Birmingham Al DUI attorneys. Why you should hire the best Birmingham Al DUI attorney. When do you want the best Birmingham Al DUI attorney? Many individuals discover themselves in very unusual conditions, particularly when they're dealing with DUI circumstances. They fail to study when to and when to not get legal assistance. More so, DUI has totally different legal guidelines from state to state, and it is advisable to perceive what the legislation in your state is essential. Why it is advisable to discover the best Birmingham Al DUI attorney. Anyone without legal qualifications or relevant training will have a very difficult time evaluating the advantages and disadvantages of a DUI-related case. The legislation appertaining to the DUI is at all times altering and complicated. Due to this fact, every case must be dealt with uniquely. In this case, a search for assistance from a professional best Birmingham Al lawyer is important. The best Birmingham Al DUI attorneys will supply free session providers to your potential clients. Yet, if you happen to should meet some price, it will likely be cash properly used. Here, you have to offer a police report along with some other papers in your possession for analysis. You additionally have to record a number of the questions you want solutions to search out. Meeting along with your selection of the best Birmingham Al DUI attorney. Planning and staging a bodily assembly with the best Birmingham Al DUI attorney supply the very best alternatives so that you can analyze the state of affairs first. Why you should hire the best Birmingham Al DUI attorney. Many individuals do not know this, particularly when they're dealing with DUI circumstances. This lets you decide whether or not issues will work out higher with who you, in the end, rent as your best Birmingham Al DUI attorney. When you possibly can't want to rent the best Birmingham Al DUI attorney. There are sure circumstances when hiring the best attorney will not be needed. Here are some causes to rent a good attorney. Not. This is a first-time offense. No accidents have been recorded. The prospects of utility are responsible for excessive. You are more likely to receive a sentence if your blood alcohol concentration exceeded the legal limit of 0.08%, the lowest in the United States, or if there is other solid evidence of your intoxicated driving, DUI, dangerous driving, garbled speech, etc. Why a best Birmingham Al DUI attorney is essential. While you're free to deal with your DUI case by yourself, it's thought of as not the very best strategy. The trial means the training curve is steep and requires appreciable expertise. If you aren't outfitted with legal qualifications and expertise, you threaten being marginalized in the courtroom. Judges normally bear little persistence, particularly for the self-representation of criminals who don't perceive the courtroom's guidelines. The most essential factor is that you do not need to cope with a DUI case alone. In case you are dealing with a DUI case in the courtroom, legal support is the important thing. An expert best Birmingham Al DUI attorney will help to salvage the state of affairs.